Could the Polkadot price crash even harder? Hey guys, what's going on? Jeb here, and in today's video, I am going to bring you some updated technical analysis on Polkadot and bring you my latest price prediction on it based on its technical analysis and the recent movements in its market. If you want to know where Polkadot is going based on where Polkadot has been and whether or not right now is a great time to be buying this layer 0 protocol, then you found the right video. If you do enjoy this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. But without much further ado, let's go ahead and dive right on into it. As you can see, DOT currently finds itself in a descending triangle pattern with a downtrending level of resistance right here and a flat level of support right there. This is indicative that the market is moving to the downside and is starting to lose exuberance as the higher high, as is creating very much lower highs compared to the fact that it's creating very much not higher lows. Even at the time of recording this video, you can see that we're pushing down straight into the level of support right now. We're not even able to get up to the downtrending level of resistance that we have set that's currently sitting just at $10. Now here's my prediction on Polkadot. It is already down from its all-time high significantly. In fact, it's down 83%. But in the same way we're likely to see Cardano drop a full 87 to 90% down from its all-time high, we may end up seeing the same thing on Polkadot. You see, right now it's down 83%, but if it were to pull all the way back down to where I think it's going to go at $6 based on levels of support and resistance built back here in September and November of 2020, it would drop 89% as well. And that would actually line up quite substantially with this falling pennant right here, as you can see. If we were to draw a downtrend just like this and extrapolate, this would be pushing Polkadot all the way down to $5. Now, I don't necessarily think it's going to go quite that low, but somewhere in that region of around $6 would make a lot of sense based on historical analysis. As you guys know, we have a theory that the market is going to undergo one final capitulation with Bitcoin pulling back down to between $22,000 and $24,000. We'd likely see Cardano drop down to 35 to 39 cents, and we could very easily see Polkadot follow along in that trend. And if it did follow in that trend, you would probably see it drop all the way down to $5, but more than likely $6. If it does drop down to this level, then that means it has shed nearly 90% of its market capitalization, meaning that what is left is bedrock and will likely be able to hold it up as support moving into the next bull market. I do believe Polkadot is a phenomenal layer 0 protocol working in the interoperability space. I think they're taking a bit of a tip from Cardano in that they are building technology quietly, not based on hype, but trying to build it very, very well so that into the long-term distant future, it runs correctly so that it can underpin Web3. One of the reasons you don't hear a lot about Polkadot is because they're pretty quiet. They don't boast and they don't try and brag about how great they are. They just build good technology and let it prove itself through whatever the price action decides to do. I do think Polkadot is a phenomenal project and it will be very successful moving into the future alongside Cardano and some of the other contenders for building Web3, such as Bitcoin, and if Ethereum gets its act together, Ethereum. If you're going to be accumulating Polkadot, I think anything below $10 is a great dollar cost average zone that you can hold for the next 2, 3, 4, 5 years, and I think you will make a substantial return on that investment, but that's just my opinion and certainly not financial advice. If you enjoyed today's video and you now have a better understanding of where Polkadot is going and why, then I encourage you to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I do think that in the next 5 to 10 years, if Polkadot remains #1 in its asset class of layer 0 interoperability protocols, you will see Polkadot worth over $100 as it continues to rally back up to previous all-time highs and beyond. But I'd love to hear your thoughts down below. Where do you think Polkadot's going to go in the short term as far as price predictions are concerned? Do you agree with $5 to $6? And long term, do you agree with $100 plus Polkadot? Love to hear your thoughts in the comment section. Make sure to follow us on all of our social media at CryptoJeb over on Twitter and Instagram, and also at CryptoJebOfficial over on TikTok. But before I go, I do just first want to thank each and every single last one of you for watching, as always, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Whoa there, partner! You watched the whole video. Good on you. Now what you can do to make me even happier is go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, bing that notification bell, and let me know what you think in the comments down below. Thank you for watching.